Weak people revenge, strong people forgive, intelligent people ignore. The more I study science, the more I believe in God. The difference between stupidity and genius is that genius has its limits. The only thing more dangerous than ignorance is arrogance. The world will not be destroyed by those who do evil, but by those who watch them without doing anything. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. There is no vaccine against stupidity. Information is not knowledge. The only source of knowledge is experience. You need experience to gain wisdom. Don't listen to the person who has the answers. Listen to the person who has the questions. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Two things are infinite: the universe and human stupidity. And I'm not sure about the universe. Success comes from curiosity, concentration, perseverance, and self-criticism. Blind belief in authority is the greatest enemy of truth. Don't wait for miracles. Your whole life is a miracle. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is to not stop questioning. Women always worry about things that men forget. Men always worry about things women remember. Mankind invented the atomic bomb, but no mouse would ever construct a mousetrap. Three great forces rule the world: stupidity, fear, and greed. The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. Failure is success in progress. Insanity, doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. Be a voice, not an echo. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. Thinking is hard work. That's why so few do it. Everyone knew it was impossible until a fool who didn't know came along and did it. You can't use an old map to explore a new world. If I had an hour to solve a problem, I'd spend 55 minutes thinking about the problem and 5 minutes thinking about solutions. If people are good only because they fear punishment and hope for reward, then we are a sorry lot indeed. When I examine myself and my methods of thought, I come to the conclusion that the gift of fantasy has meant more to me than any talent for abstract, positive thinking. Laws alone cannot secure freedom of expression. In order that every man present his views without penalty, there must be spirit of tolerance in the entire population.